Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Browning here. I wanted to show you a video on how to cite your sources when you're doing research. So by now you've already gone to some websites, you might have looked at some different books, but it's really important when we are researching this information that we're giving the place that you found the information credit. Otherwise, it's plagiarism and we're taking what's really not ours. So I want to show you today how you can cite your sources. So you all have the PowerPoint that I created for you, and we are going to look at the PowerPoint and show you on the slide number 10. It says how to cite sources. If you notice, there's a works cited document sheet. If you click on that and open it, it gives you a blank document on the first page that tells you how to quote a book that you have done or a website, because those are going to be the two most common sources that you are going to use when you are researching your project. So I've even given you a little cheat sheet at the bottom to show you how to do it. So what I took was Whoosh, Lonnie Johnson's Super Soaking Stream of Inventions, and I went ahead and did the bibliography or cited the source for this book. So the thing that comes first is the name, and then you put the last name, then the comma and the first name, then you will put the book title, and then the copyright date. So if you look inside the cover, it will tell you where the copyright date is. So that's how I have cited for Whoosh, the book. The next one is a website. So I have chosen a website that is coming straight from the PowerPoint presentation that is on in this information, and it's the Biography Online Famous Inventions. And if you scroll to the bottom, it tells you exactly who where this information came from. Most websites do that. If they don't, the information you need is fairly clear. You need to cite the author. Some of them might not have one specific author, so you'll need to look and see, but at least you'll be able to cite the website. You'll also be able to put if it was the article on the website, if it was a certain page of the website, because there's obviously a lot of things in this website. And then the web address. So you can just copy and paste whatever web address you're on, and then whatever date you got the information. So I put today's date in there. I hope this helps you when you are writing your paper and citing the sites or the resources that you have used. Good luck, and we will talk to you later.